How's it going, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Um, I'm back here. You got me. You see me with wicks. These are my wicks here. I'm actually just going to what am I going to do? I'm going to pour some wax in my molds today. I want to make some more candles for these orders that I have, and I'm going to just take care of those things before I create some new designs. So right now I still have these are not new designs, but these are the ones that I just did recently. These have been a popular seller as of late. So I still have those to do, but I want to create a new design. They said some new 4th of July theme. For the most part, those have been doing very well. So I want to add some more to the collection. I think it's 250 years, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, I'm gonna take care of that probably today. But yeah, just gonna work and vibe for the most part. I just wanted to show you guys too. I got a new bag. This is what I was in the middle of trying to get. Where a lot of things have been going on. That's what been delaying a lot of recording. But I got a new bag. This is my advertising bag, so now I can advertise my candles when I'm outside or anywhere, or even while I'm working now. That's why you see me with it on now. I don't know how much look you'll get look at it, but my back is sometimes turned, certain things like that. And not only that, I actually advertise for other. I'm not sure if you can see it or what ad is on now, but I advertise for other companies and things like that, hoping to bring more attention to certain areas, stuff like that. But today you're just gonna watch me do this for the most part, and just probably just talk some shit. So nothing too crazy, nothing too out there. Actually, if you look on my backpack, or if I just drop it in the video, you'll see the link to my actual ebooks. I have several ebooks at this point. I've been creating them for a while, so I've just been creating them. I just actually updated the main one, which show you how to do everything. But I think that's great. I actually think I'm going to add designs to make it easier, more like a starting guide. So whoever get the ebook, they have all the tools and everything they need for the most part to get started. There is other stuff that you need, like the equipment itself. This is pretty straightforward. This comes from China, but I think you can get them made somewhere else. But it doesn't have to be from there. Like, you got to shop around. I purchased these a long time ago, but I'm still sure they sell them. I bought these years ago, but I'm 100% sure they still sell them. I just wasn't. I just had no reason to buy more because, as you can see, these are aluminum. So these are aluminum. So I just keep using the same ones for that matter. But I'm going to do this. As of late, I've been getting more and more inspired to actually record. I know I go through these spurts and things like that, but I've been, as of late, with everything, even with the Knicks winning, that was very inspiring. Them winning after all these years, and you almost think it's never gonna happen, but then it finally happens. It's like, okay, everything is achievable at this point. That's how I feel. And then not even just that, I see a lot of due to the economy, I see a lot of businesses starting, people, doing other things to create ends meet and stuff like that. So now I feel like, okay, cool. I may have a shot at this in this market and at this time, because now I'm going forward with like showing other people how to do it. Before it was kind of iffy, only because I felt like the stuff I was doing and creating, people weren't really engaging and interested in it. But now I feel like everybody's seeking a new way to make more income, including myself. So it's like it's not just it stops here. Certain one thing don't make you rich most of the time. So like even with me right now, I'm advertising on my backpack, and then soon I'll just be adding more things. I have other things to add, like far as websites and stuff like that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm keep going and try to come up with new ideas. Hopefully, it's not too many ideas that keep me away from, like, showing you guys what I need to show you guys. I'm actually trying to come up with a schedule, a routine plan, or something, so that way, I'm if I can't commit to record, at least I can commit to the time to record. So I think that's one of my main struggles, where it's just like the timing, and everything that I'm actually doing, like setting aside and things like that. It just doesn't line up with my new lifestyle. It doesn't line up with everything. So even sometimes I find it hard to make my orders, but I still get them done on time, of course, because payment is payment. So I'm not holding back anything. But as far as like anything extra, then it's pretty much like, hey, you have to pick and choose what you want to do. So like sometimes I'm not sure if I tell you, I have a son now, so I have to pick and choose what I do with my time wisely. So even this place right here, my office, is kind of, I don't want to say falling apart, but it's pretty junky. I have to spend more time in here so I can actually clean up. But all of the time actually has been going to my newborn and just creating new ideas to make, more money or whatnot. So for the most part, I am bringing new ideas, which is good. I'm not like not thinking about doing like I'm not thinking about or ending what I'm doing right now as far as my business that I have going on. I'm actually finding a way to improve it to make everything easier. So that's the phase that I'm in right now, where I want to have a quicker turnaround. I want to have more designs. I want to have just a better setup and more space. Right now, I feel like the space that I have is a bit tight. So it enhances the clutterness and things like that because the space is tight. So I have things that I have to place certain places, but for the most part, I have to honestly just get more space. And this video won't be long. It's just pretty much I'm showing you guys again, and this becomes, I won't say very repetitive, but I'm showing you guys this. I actually have I'll see if I can include it. I have PDFs that I included for the learning for learning and things like that. I'm thinking about opening up school. That school account thing, that seems pretty cool. I think that's up my alley. I can actually do that. And then probably maybe I'll be a little more committed. I'm just not how sure it works. But I think this is my turning point, honestly, to being committed. Because when you have a baby and you have other things that's like a little more important, you understand you can't gamble with other stuff. Like as far as like your business, YouTube, anything else you can't gamble with anything for that most part. You want everything to work out and you want everything to succeed. So like I don't gamble with these things. So right now I'm probably here just from, I don't want to say running on a high from Knicks winning and my newborn son, where it's just like, all right, cool. They could do it, I could do it. If it could be done, then it could be done. Like it's nothing else to actually to worry about. Like what's the worst that can happen? You record stuff that you were going to do anyway. So that's pretty much it. I'm just recording stuff I'm honestly already doing. Like nothing is actually changing. It's just me recording stuff I'm already doing, which is pretty cool. So I can actually go back and look at it, document the journey, which I'm pretty far in my journey, but it's still okay. Because like I said, you always got a lot more to give. And I feel like right now I'm going to give it my all, not just in video. Just with my business stuff, I feel like I'm actually doing something good and it's actually unique, which I always get that comment and that review. They always remind me how unique it is and how good my business is and how I make them feel, stuff like that, which is cool. Now I'm gonna spend more time on actually creating more of that, of course, but showing you guys so you guys can get, familiar with it. And if anything, if you want to do something with the knowledge, then you can do something with it as well. I've been on TikTok a bit as of late, so I see a lot of cool things that these guys are creating. And I'm like, hold on, I got stuff to share too. What is this thing? I have stuff to share too. Where it's like, oh, okay, cool, I can create this, I can make this, I can do that. Let me share this. So you might see me on live soon as well on there. I feel like that's the next step as well. I gotta find a way to integrate all of them to like one thing, and I'm pretty sure they have it, but I'm not aware of it. This is my grocery bag that I actually use. I cut it, slice it down the middle. This holds the wax in for the most part. There's still a lot of wax that gets everywhere, but what can you do? It's just going to happen at this point. Yeah, it's just going to happen at this point. But like I was saying, I think TikTok is my next wave. I have a channel there, but I never went live. I never did nothing of the sort. So now I'm just trying to see right there, get some more exposure in these areas, especially if it's just video. I could record myself all day talking. I just don't know who want to listen to me all day talking. That's the tricky part with most YouTubers. I feel like you never know who wants to hear you talking. So, which is cool too. At this point, I made peace with it. Just record, just to record what videos you get or whatever videos you put up. I feel like, and this is just rambling. So, I mean, when it comes to the titles, and I have to figure out exactly what topic I want to go over, but this is just me coming back to recording. I had somebody commented the other day, said, what are you doing? Is it gossip or is it candle channel? I was trying to do both, so that way I can actually, get the watch time up, give something to everyone, so whoever's here at the moment can actually enjoy it. I understand everybody may not like the idea of making birthday candles, and then everybody may not like the idea of gossiping. Now, even though I don't call it gossiping, it's just, saying, just, how can I say it? You just, you heard, not only you heard something, you spoke about it, but it's just your opinion on what's taking place in the world. It's like, it's going to happen regardless, whether you speak on it or not. Whatever changes or not, it doesn't, it's still going to happen. So, like, you go in there and this is a sports channel and you talk about the Knicks, it's still going to happen. The Knicks still won. So, whether you're saying it on camera or not, it doesn't matter either. I wouldn't call it gossiping. I call it just, just updating your I want to say followers. You guys are not called followers. Updating your subscribers on current events and stuff like that, no matter what niche you're in. So, of course, I'm in the candle making niche. Even then, with that niche, I don't feel like I fit in there because I do birthday candles. So like when you pop up, when you say, hey, candle making, I'm not the first to pop up because it doesn't classify me as that because I already went ahead and put me as a birthday candle maker. So, but at the end of the day, it's all good. I'm still going to find what my actual niche is, and then also still find out who is my target audience is, stuff like that. So, all right, I'm gonna cut this video short. It's good. It felt good to be back. I'm gonna cut this video short just so I can log it in, get a photo, get a picture, get me what is that? A thumbnail, and hit you guys back.